Hello friends, it's Reza here at channel Reza Blade, and I am doing my maybe 10th, maybe 11th, I don't quite remember. It's all a blur at this point. We're doing 30 in 30 take 2, 30 reviews in 30 days, and I've got another trio of KADS plates for you guys today. And you've always liked KADS plates, and I love KADS plates too. We've got 3 different plates from 3 different collections. We'll take a look at the plates, we'll take a look at my manis, and we'll take a look at the swatches. So the plates are short and sweet. Here is an elephant enjoying a number of different types of comestibles. We've got pastries, we've got pizza, we've got French fries, we've got some tea or hot chocolate. It isn't a teacup, so I assume it's not soup, even though there is a spoon in there. And we've got a burger. Also, you can use this for the leaves here because of the size of the ear. So that is a versatile plate. And we have a number of different kinds of foliage out here for stamping as well. So that is a great plate. KADS Flower 014. I love this face. She's lovely. This is such a great, with her funnel neck sweater. Anyway, we've got some foliage over here. Different kind of foliage here. I love that they have different kinds of characters of foliage. Like, you know, you get one design feel from this, but you also get a totally different design feel from this. And they're just really versatile. So I did try to color in with marker. The trick is that you put a matte finish on so that the marker will take, and the marker took. But as soon as I put top coat on top, it completely disappeared. All of my coloring that I did so assiduously went away. So I'm wondering if I used the wrong kind of markers. They're supposed to be permanent, but I'm guessing no. That they were not Sharpie though. So I'm looking for some feedback on that if you guys have any experience with your marker totally disappearing once you cover it with top coat. Anyway, and then the other side of my mani is from KADS Fashion Plate 007, which I'm about to show you. Lots of danglies on that plate. Crystals. Alright, so here's that plate. Great little plate. Alright guys, so here's this hand again. Please subscribe to my channel. Every subscriber helps me quite a bit, and I love you all. And do sign up for notifications so you won't miss any future episodes. I just released a haul. Be sure to catch that. There are 17 minutes of plates, quite a lot of plates. So it's a really fun haul. It was a de-stash of a friend of mine. And I will see you guys tomorrow for my next review in our 30 in 30. And I hope you enjoyed these KADS plates today. I do recommend them, of course. They stamped great, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Have an awesome day. Bye-bye, guys.